So Kolkata trip is on. I'm recording this for the third time, the intro. I don't know why I'm not getting this right. My packing is done and I'm leaving tomorrow at this time, 3 p.m. So I'm almost done with my packing. My tank bag is ready. It is having all the stuffs which I'll be needing for vlogging, like my camera, the charger of the camera, the charger of the phone, and everything else which I'll be needing close to my hand. While this bag I'm carrying, it is having all my clothes, jacket, jeans, and I'm not finding any way to keep those shoes in bag. I don't know how I'll carry it. I need to figure that out. No, I'm not carrying my laptop. It will be here because I don't feel any need of taking the laptop over there. By the way, so I'm finally done with my office. It's time to catch the train at 3 p.m. and I'm waiting for my Uber. Still waiting for my cab. I have called him up. He said he's there somewhere 300 meters away. So he might be coming in some time. I've given him a call. So he arrived. Time to go. Reached station and now the time to climb the stairs. Let's go. Traffic. It's crowded actually. It's very much crowded. So the current time is 2:10. I still have an hour to go to catch the train. I'm hungry. भैया जी दुरंतो किस पे आएगी? अच्छा खड़ी है, शुक्रिया. I can see my train standing on platform number 1. Earlier I went to platform number 1, but they announced that the train will be departing from platform number 2. So I had to climb the stairs again and I am here waiting. There's still one train in that particular platform too. So when it will be depart, they will keep the Duronto Express on there. That's my seat over there. So it's time to leave now. We're leaving Pune. I don't know the time. It is 3:15. The exact time. I believe you can see it. So no issues till now. Everything is good. The only problem is that I don't have water or food I have to eat. Let's go inside.
है भाई सब गोलमाल है, गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है.
Moong dal. We have some kachori type. There's a sandwich inside it, a fruity and a mithai, and a tea, which I spoiled. 26 December 2016, 5:48 in the evening. It has been around 1 hour that we have crossed down. The engine reversal happened, and after that, the train is constantly running. So I'll rest for now. And by the way, I have saved this fruity from the evening snacks. Soup, Amul butter. They have some salt, kali mirch and breadstick. So they served it just now.
We have crossed Manmad and the train is on correct time. I had my dinner. I couldn't record, I couldn't show you the dinner because the last two time I was showing the food, what happened was the food became cold. And what I had is dal, chawal and chicken and roti. And they gave this complimentary ice cream. It's tasty. And I'm getting the Wi-Fi as well in the train. And I'm pretty satisfied as of now with the travel. So I'll eat this ice cream and then I'll go to sleep. Then see you in the morning. Very good morning everyone. 27th December 2016, 7:23 in the morning. I believe we have entered Chhattisgarh. The next stop is Bilaspur. And I had a good sleep. I slept around 11:30 in the night. I just woke up.
Back home to you.
Brown bread, omelette, mango sip, jam, butter and tea.
And we have reached Bilaspur. I'm having this fruity kind of thing. It is not fruity actually, it is given in the morning break. Problem number one, I have left my laptop at home and I don't have external storage to store the whatever I'm recording. So the first thing I'm going to do because is buy a memory card around 32 GB or something. And the next thing is that about the battery, I forgot my power bank at home. After Bilaspur, we'll be reaching Tata Nagar. It is an 8 hours run non-stop. Breakfast was much better than yesterday's evening snacks. Station is pretty neat and clean. You can see around. Everything inside. It's time to leave almost.
So it is the final lunch in the train. We have curd, rice, dal, chicken, chapati and 2 gulab jamuns. I have asked for extra chicken and it looks delicious. Yesterday I couldn't show you during the dinner, so this is all they are giving. Instead of ice cream they have given gulab jamuns. So I'll eat. So I had my lunch around 5:30 when we reached Tata Nagar, Jamshedpur. After that is Howrah. So as of now the train is going very good, no delay. So hopefully I'll be reaching Howrah around 7:30 in the evening.
This is somewhere in Odisha between just before Raulkela.
pretty excited. I hope I'll show you around the Howrah Bridge if possible. If not, then I'll go back home